Hi folks, today we're talking about another beautiful vehicle from Hyundai. Is the Elantra hatchback. It's 4-cylinder, 1.6 liters. It has the GDI gasoline direct injection system. It has the heated seats. It has the eco, the fuel eco, which is an active saving fuel system. It has a lot of space, especially at the back. It's a very good vehicle, very good on gas, very reliable. It's a 2013 model Hyundai Elantra hatchback. Closer look at the interior. The active eco, cruise control, the steering wheel, volume control. It has the USB port and the aux. Heated seats. Very roomy interior. Premium cloth. Lots of leg room here. This is the hatchback. Has a rather unbelievable cargo space with a lid on the trunk. Very beautiful metallic blue. Lots of space in there. At the back here, lots of leg room. And a very beautiful dash panel to enjoy your front view. Hyundai Elantra hatchback, 4-cylinder, 1.6 liters, very good on gas, reliable. From DriveNation-Regina, 1440 Albert Street. Come check it out.